to Cooking with Asher. I'm Asher. It is hot. I need something cold and refreshing like now. My daddy went to Louisiana and he ate alligators, po' boys, and when he went to Shreveport, icebox pie. Shreveport was the home of the Louisiana hayride, and that's where Elvis Presley got his start of his career. I'm going to be making an icebox pie, but with a Canadian twist. Here's what we need. For the crust, 1 cup biscuits, 1/4 cup maple flakes, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 6 tablespoons melted butter.
Let me tell you about my hometown. I want the world to know about the sights to see and things to do in a city that's on the go. The heart of beautiful architects, the area all around. Shreveport, Shreveport, that's my hometown. Shreveport, Shreveport, that's my hometown. Catch the Louisiana State Fair, see Barksdale Air Force Base. There's more fun in Bossier City than almost any place. There's Little Theater, Radio Keel, and a symphony of renown. In Shreveport, Shreveport, that's my hometown. Shreveport, Shreveport, that's my hometown.
Pat down the crust so it fills the pie pan. For the filling, blend 2 cans condensed milk, 1 1/4 cups apple cider, 8 egg yolks, and pour it onto the crust. I'm going to put it in the oven at 325 degrees for about 25 minutes. Now I'm making the Chantilly Cream. 2 cups heavy cream, 1/4 cup icing sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. We're gonna whip it up for 1.5 minutes. Now I'm gonna cool the pie for 1 hour. Then I'm gonna put it in the freezer for 6 hours. So I left it in the freezer overnight. I'm gonna finish it with the Chantilly cream and some butterscotch. And that is my signature apple maple icebox pie. Elvis has left the building.